Namaskar and welcome to CIPETHUB. Today we will study extrusion process in plastics manufacturing in detail. This is an important topic for plastics engineering students at CIPET. Please watch till the end. Like and subscribe to CIPETHUB for more such lectures. Namaskar and welcome to CIPETHUB. Dear students, today we will study extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. This topic is extremely important for plastics engineering students. Companies like Reliance, Tata, Supreme and Astral use these concepts extensively. This is important for your CIPET semester exam. Let us start our journey. Dear students, let us understand the fundamental concepts of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. First, we must be clear about the basic definitions and terminology. These form the foundation of all advanced topics. Please note these definitions carefully as they are important for your CIPET semester exam. Friends, now we will look at the classification and types in extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. Understanding the classification helps us choose the right approach for each application. In the Indian industry, especially in companies like Reliance Industries, these classifications are used daily. Make sure you remember the comparison table for your examinations. Dear students, the properties and characteristics are the heart of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. We study both mechanical and thermal properties in this section. Chemical resistance is particularly important in the petrochemicals industry. These properties determine which material or process we select for a given application. Friends, the manufacturing process for extrusion process in plastics manufacturing involves several well-defined steps, starting from raw material preparation to the final product. Each step must be carefully controlled. Companies such as Supreme Industries and Astral follow strict quality control checkpoints. This is important for your CIPET semester exam. Please draw and label the process flow diagram. Dear students, let us now look at the equipment and machinery used in extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. Every piece of equipment has a specific function in the overall process. Understanding the control and instrumentation is essential for a plastics engineer. Tata Engineering and other major corporations use automated systems for precision control. Friends, design calculations are a very important part of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. You must memorize the key formulas as they are frequently asked in CIPET examinations. Let us walk through a sample calculation step by step. Always apply the appropriate safety factor as per Indian standards. Dear students, extrusion process in plastics manufacturing has a wide range of industrial applications in India and worldwide, from packaging to the automotive sector. This knowledge is directly applicable. Companies like Reliance Polymers and Supreme Industries produce millions of products using these principles. Understanding real applications will help you in placement interviews after CIPET. Friends, quality standards and testing are essential aspects of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. In India, the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) publishes its standards that all manufacturers must follow. Knowing the testing methods is important for your CIPET semester exam and future career. Always refer to the latest version of the applicable standard in practice. Dear students, environmental and safety aspects of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing are increasingly important. India has stringent environmental regulations that all industries must comply with. Sustainable manufacturing is now a key focus for companies like Tata and Reliance. As future engineers, you must champion green practices in your workplace. Friends, the field of extrusion process in plastics manufacturing is advancing rapidly. Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing are transforming how engineers work. There are excellent career opportunities in this area across India and globally. CIPET graduates are highly sought after by top companies in this sector. Dear students, we have now completed our lecture on extrusion process in plastics manufacturing. Let us quickly revise the key concepts we covered today. Remember to focus on the formulas and process diagrams for your CIPET semester exam. Thank you, dear students. Please like and subscribe to CIPETHUB channel. Share with your CIPET classmate. Jai Hind. Thank you, dear students, for watching this lecture on CIPETHUB. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your CIPET classmate. Your support helps us create more such quality study material. Jai Hind.